Let's practice. Fill in the blanks using the. The fox is in the box. The monkey is on the tree. The fruits are in the basket. The bird is on the hat. The pen is in the pencil box. The moon and the stars are in the sky.
If you enjoyed the video, please like and share it with your friends. Do not forget to click the bell icon to subscribe for more such fun learning videos.